Vitamin E capsules, also known as Evion capsules, are a storehouse of health benefits. The oil can be used on different parts of your body. Here are a few ways you can use vitamin E capsules to reap its maximum benefits. Anti-wrinkle cream. For those who have fine lines and wrinkles on their skin, vitamin E oil can be used as anti-aging cream. It's loaded with antioxidants and increases blood circulation. Massaging vitamin E oil on your skin will not only improve your skin structure, but will also make your skin firm and glowing. To get the oil, cut the end of a vitamin E capsule with scissors. Make sure they're clean and freshly sanitized. Then squeeze the capsule's gel onto your fingertips. Apply it by rubbing it on the desired area, keeping your finger on the skin to increase the warmth, as warm products tend to absorb better. Overnight cream. Known for its moisturizing properties, vitamin E capsules can work as great overnight creams. You can mix a few drops of vitamin E oil with a drop of your regular night cream and apply it all over your pre-washed face. It acts as a serum and provides enough moisture to your face during the night. Make sure you apply it at least 30 minutes before retiring to bed so as to prevent the sheets or pillows from staining or absorbing the oil. Nail growth. Your hands are constantly doing different kinds of chores throughout the day, be it cooking, doing dishes, washing clothes, or gardening. Every activity you do has an impact on your nails in the form of chipping, cracking, or peeling. Due to bad nail health, they might even turn yellow and start breaking. In order to prevent this, all you need is a vitamin E capsule. Just use the oil to massage your nails, cuticles, and the skin around your nails gently. Do this preferably before bedtime so that your nails get optimum moisture. Hair growth. Known for providing amazing benefits to hair, vitamin E oil is a wonder oil for hair. Just squeeze out the oil from the capsule and mix it with your regular hair oil. Gently massage the mix into your hair and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Wash it off with shampoo and warm water. You can use it twice a week. You'll start noticing the results in just 2 to 3 washes with shampoo and warm water. Prevents sunburn. If your skin is sensitive and prone to sunburn, then vitamin E oil is what will provide you relief. Due to its moisturizing power, vitamin E oil can treat dry and flaky skin. If your skin burns or itches as a result of sunburn, then you can use vitamin E oil by mixing it with a cooling cream. However, it's best to wear a sunscreen before stepping out in the sun. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 6 best vitamins for skin tightening. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.